Earth's reaction.
Our body has an immune system. It protects our body from bad things that invade from the outside. However, substances that enter from the outside are not necessarily bad.
For example, though dust or pollen always invade your body, these substances do not harm you anytime unless they are too much. However, your body sometimes activates the immune defense against trivial antigen like these substances. You call such excessive immune defense response allergy. It is classified into four types according to a reaction pathway.
Ulcer's reaction is a kind of type 3 allergy in the fourth kind of allergy. Type 3 allergy is an allergy which occurs tissue damage caused by deposition of immune complex. Let's see immune complex. It is a combination of an antigen and an antibody. You also call it antigen-antibody complex.
You call this part in an antibody Fc part. It is the same in an antibody against any antigen. It has two important functions about the type 3 allergy reaction. The first is the ability of neutrophils and macrophages, which have receptors for the Fc part of the antibody, to react to the Fc part, making them more likely to be phagocytized and sterilized. The second is the function of the Fc part of the antigen-antibody binding, which activates blood proteins complement that promote neutrophil migration, cause cytotoxicity, and increase vascular permeability. This activation of blood proteins allows inflammatory cells such as neutrophils to migrate more easily into the tissues.
Fc part is located outside, in an immune complex, so these reactions are likely to occur. Through these reactions, the type 3 allergy occurs when the immune issue on which an immune complex is deposited is damaged. You call this phenomenon Earth's reaction, deposition of immune complexes, accumulation of neutrophils, inflammatory lesions of tissues and blood vessels. When you see this reaction, you inject the antigen into the skin that has produced enough antibodies. You will see swelling and erythema on the skin after 3 to 6 hours.
A typical example of a type 3 allergic disease in which an adrenaline reaction occurs is serum sickness. Serum sickness is caused by immune complexes that can arise when non-human animal serum is administered for some therapeutic purpose. The main symptoms are blocky rash, joint pain, peripheral edema, and fever.
Others include rheumatoid arthritis and lupus nephritis, caused by the production of immune complexes from autoantibodies, and allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis, caused by production of immune complexes from internally introduced antigens. In some diseases, such as glomerulonephritis and allergic purpura, the cause of how the immune complex was formed is unknown. That's all. Thank you for watching.